Diversification. Once upon a time, in the land of financial opportunities, there lived a playful and curious corgi named Finny. Finny loved to dig holes, chase squirrels, and, of course, explore the fascinating world of money. Today, Finny is here to help you understand the concept of diversification using his wagging tail and boundless energy. Imagine Finny as a master chef in a fancy restaurant. Just like a recipe needs a variety of ingredients to create a delicious dish, your investment portfolio needs diversification to thrive. Think of each investment as a different ingredient. You wouldn't want to put all your hopes in a single spice, would you? No, you'd want to mix it up, adding a pinch of stocks, a dollop of bonds, and a sprinkle of real estate. This way, if one ingredient doesn't turn out so well, the others can still make your investment stew taste amazing. Now let's take a stroll through Finny's colorful garden. Each flower represents a different investment. Some flowers bloom brightly in the sun, while others prefer the shade. By planting a variety of flowers, you create a beautiful garden that can withstand any unexpected weather. Similarly, diversifying your investments means spreading your money across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions. This way, if one sector is facing a stormy day, others can still blossom and bring financial sunshine into your life. Ah, look! Finny spots a flock of birds flying across the sky. Just like birds migrate to different places for food and shelter, you too can diversify your investments across different countries. By investing globally, you can tap into the growth potential of various economies and reduce the risk of relying solely on one market. Just as Finny loves exploring new territories, you can expand your investment horizons and let your money take flight to seek new opportunities. Remember, diversification is like having a playful pack of corgis by your side. Each corgi has its unique strengths, personality, and adorable wiggly butt. Together, they create a strong, resilient, and diversified team. Similarly, when you diversify your investments, you build a strong financial foundation that can weather the ups and downs of the market.